Good morning, everyone. Hello, Tom. We're just waiting on the
Hey, good
jail.
morning. Oh, okay. They'll be on when they're on. And it looks like our atmospheric river is back with us today.
Dan, I'm going to mute myself. Once the in custody arrives, will you let us know,
Yeah,
please?
sure. Yeah, sure. No problem.
Thank you.
Good morning, Dan. I trust you had a good weekend.
I did. They're never long enough.
Never, never were, never will be. That's for sure. That's tempted to start building the ark or something out here. It's
Right.
a little wet.
Yeah,
The
that's,
Puyallup River is getting pretty close to flooding.
I'm glad.
Yeah, that's
I was going to say, I'm glad I don't live in the squally.
they're doing pretty good too with the water coming through. Yes, drove over yesterday and looked at the chutes. It's roaring. And this part of the world is not a good idea to have your house in the floodplain.
No.
Yeah, I guess the news out of Skagit County is a lot of the town is under a level 2 get ready to go alert.
Well, I remember that. I don't know what year it was. It was a long time ago. It could have been 20 years ago, but it was when Lewis County Courthouse in Chehalis was underwater.
Oh, yeah, I remember that well.
You
And
remember that?
Dan, I
Yeah,
think
I
that
mean,
was
I couldn't
more.
believe it. Yeah, I couldn't. Yeah, I mean, it literally was,
Oh, and
several
the
feet up.
I-5 was.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah. It was, I mean, the water was literally a few feet up from the sidewalk.
yeah, it was absolutely amazing. Yeah, well, we'll see it again. Well,
Yeah,
no, that's it. And maybe this is the time we'll see it again from what they're talking about. Don't see rain like this very often.
we always forget though, because we really do
Oh,
get
absolutely.
weather like this all the time, but it's like every time we get a little bit of snow, it's like,
We remember for the first time.
I know.
Oh
Um,
yeah, Western Washington does not know how to handle it.
Uh-oh.
and has remarkably short memory. Yeah, I guarantee you will drive along some riverbanks come the spring, and you'll see houses going up.
Oh yeah.
Now it's taken the jail a little bit of time today.
I just send them another email very quickly telling them that we are ready.
Uh,
I'm on the phone with the jail.
all right.
Any update?
Let's.
They put me on hold. They're checking.
No,
Well,
Oh, okay. Here we go.
Ah,
Oh, there we go. Okay.
What are we doing?
Good morning. Oh, good morning, Mary Simpson. How are you?
Fine.
This is Dan Haverco. I'm the uh, public defender with the city of Yelm. We're having video court this morning. On the line is Judge Meyer, prosecutor, and the court clerk. So we're here to do what's called an arraignment, which is to apprise you of your charges, figure out if you're going to hire counsel or if you need court-appointed counsel. And if I could ask you, do you currently work right now? Do you have any income at the moment?
Yes, yes, I'm working.
What's your monthly take-home pay right now?
Oh, 3, 6, 9, about 1,200.
Okay, $1,200 per month. Okay. And do you support anybody?
Uh, Help my daughter out once in a while.
Okay. Um, so
Mr. Jericho,
yes, sir.
I'm going to find Ms. Simpson does qualify for a public defender. Good morning, ma'am. Is your name Mary Lee Simpson?
Yes,
I'm going to appoint Mr. Haverco to represent you in this hearing and throughout the course of the matter, should you request his services. In any event, you were booked in and cited for the offense of driving under the influence of intoxicants on December 8th, 2025. That offense is a gross misdemeanor. The maximum penalty on conviction would be 364 days in jail and or a $5,000 fine. I'll turn at this time to Mr. Haverco to enter a plea on your behalf.
okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Your Honor. I've had an opportunity to review the probable cause statement and would stipulate to probable cause and would ask the court to enter a not guilty plea.
Ms. Simpson, a plea of not guilty preserves your rights. We're going to set the matter for a pretrial conference. That is a chance for you to discuss the matter fully with Mr. Haverco and decide how to proceed in this matter. I will want you to exchange contact information with him at this time. The next question, of course, would be conditions of release and or bail. First, I'll hear from the prosecutor, Mr. Ratfield, on behalf of the city.
Yes, Your Honor. Giving Ms. Simpson's history of driving under the influence, the city would be requesting $15,000 bail.
Mr. Haverco, you can respond to that if you'd like.
I asked the court to consider releasing her on her own recognizance or the imposition of minimal bail, or in the alternative, maybe in lieu of imposing bail, just a requirement that she show proof within 5 days, or whatever the court thinks is appropriate within 5 days release to show proof of, say, a scram monitor or something like that. The court could also fashion the requirement, of an ignition interlock device. She does have one prior, around, it looked like around 5 years ago. Her other priors they're quite a bit older, so she went, prior to the last one, she went for quite a long period of time without any similar law violations. So just would be easier if she were released so I can deal with her in an out of custody situation. So that would be the defense request.
The concern, of course, is yes, there is a fairly recent one, 2020. However, that's preceded by three others going back to 1998. The repetition is concerning, as well as the history of driving a license suspended, failure to have ignition interlock. I find this, Ms. Simpson, to be something of a risk to the public. I'm going to set bail at $7,500. If posted, conditions of release are obtain ignition interlock and file proof of that with the court within 5 days of release. Don't drive unless licensed and insured. Do not drink and drive at all. No consumption of alcohol whatsoever. Any officer asks you to take a breathalyzer, you're to do so, and of course you're not allowed to drive any vehicle unless it's equipped with ignition interlock. Any question, Mr. Haverco, about the conditions?
No, Your Honor. Ms. Simpson, do you know if you'll be able to bond out?
No, I won't.
Okay.
I help a friend of mine, but that's who I was driving for. Oh my God. But anyway, no, I won't be able to. She can barely take care of herself, but she's nuts, so.
If you were to bond out, do you have a phone number on the outside? Do you have a cell phone?
I have a cell phone, yeah.
What's your number?
360-522-3412.
Okay, I just want to make a note of it, just in case you do get
And
out of it.
I can't even call anybody from here. Their phones are screwed up.
So I would suggest, setting a pretrial just, in 2 weeks.
Absolutely.
That
As
would
soon as
be,
possible. Miss,
I'm sorry, December 18th is our next one, which is next week.
Yeah, I mean,
That one? Okay.
yeah.
that will do. Mr. Ratfield, anything further in this matter?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
And Mr. Haverco, if there's nothing further, we'll go off record.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That concludes the hearing. We're off record.
Take care, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm done.
Yes, you're done. I will send the order to the jail.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.